Doubling of railway lines between Gubbi to Nittur and Chikkodi Road to Raibagh. Indian Railways is all set to usher in new chapter of development along the trunk route of Karnataka. Karnataka historically possessed a single line and non-electrified railway track. As a result, section capacity to run trains was seriously limited. In single line section, trains have to wait for crossing. On completion of doubling, line capacity will increase substantially and consequently the travel time will come down. As doubling enhances the mobility, more number of trains can be run on completion of doubling of full route. Intercity connectivity in Karnataka will get a big boost.
आज पहले से कहीं ज्यादा तेजी के साथ पुराने रेल रूट का चौड़ीकरण और बिजलीकरण किया जा रहा है। रेल ट्रैक को ज्यादा स्पीड के लिए सक्षम बनाया जा रहा है।
In tune with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister to transform and modernize railway system to fulfill the aspirations of people, doubling and electrification of railway lines from Bengaluru to Miraj has been sanctioned in the year 2015. Bengaluru, Silicon Valley of India and capital of Karnataka, is soon going to be connected to North Karnataka with much smoother and faster rail connectivity. Southwestern Railways has undertaken project of doubling of entire railway network between Bengaluru and Hubballi to Miraj via Belagavi. Out of 747 kilometers from Bengaluru to Miraj, 459 kilometers has already been doubled. Recently, 23 kilometers of doubling of railway lines between Gubbi and Nittur with a stretch of 9 kilometers and between Chikkodi and Raibagh with 14 kilometers stretch has been successfully completed. The total cost of the stretch completed recently is Rs 226 crores. The entire doubling route has been made fit to run 25-ton axle load trains at 110 kilometers per hour. Between Gubbi and Nittur, 2 major bridges and 15 minor bridges. Between Chikkodi and Raibagh, 22 minor bridges, 4 road under bridges and 1 canal bridge were constructed with advanced technology. As a part of these works, modern station buildings have aesthetically come up at Gubbi, Nittur and Raibagh. These station buildings have upgraded amenities, new platforms, foot-over bridges, waiting halls for men and women, expanded circulating area, etc. Handling of train operations has been optimized with provision for latest signaling system. All crossing stations, Gubbi, Nittur, Raibagh has been provided with indigenously developed state-of-art electronic interlocking. Energy conservation has been ensured with 100% LED fittings at stations. The doubling of entire line from Bengaluru to Miraj is targeted to be completed by the year 2023. Journey from Bengaluru to Hubballi and Belagavi, even up to Solapur, is said to be comfortable, quicker on completion of doubling with electrification of railway line. Total of 23 km stretch of doubling of railway track between Chikkodi Road to Raibagh, Gubbi to Nittur and new station building at Raibagh railway station will be inaugurated and dedicated to nation today.